Hello and welcome everyone to this amazing hosting a discount coupon code video. In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can get as much as up to 95% discount when you click on the link in the description and use either of the discount code as I'm going to mention in this video. So what you have to do is to simply click on the link in the description and you will be landed over here. I'm going to close this Kodi AI app of Hostinger, and now I'm going to tell you how you can claim your 95% discount code and a special discount link. So scroll below. I'm going to tell you why Hostinger should be your first preference. So first of all, look around at the 30 days money back guarantee, which is an exclusive and amazing feature by Hostinger. And scroll below and look around at the 71,000 reviews on Trustpilot. Let's see what people are saying regarding Hostinger before you get this amazing discount code deal. So look around over here, see around over, happily had look around over here. Buy GoDaddy and hello Hostinger, 5-star reviews. Easy setup and good communication. The AI tool helped me troubleshoot why my PHP update was returning a critical error on the website. So you can see Hostinger has so many features: 5-star review, 5-star review, 4-star review, 4-star review, then 5-star, 5-star, 5-star. So you can see almost everyone is praising them, and which is why I'm here with this amazing code for my audience. So TechRadar, Wirecutter, Wired, CNET, Forbes are the famous websites on where Hostinger is being featured. And if you are an AI friendly person, you can use Hostinger Horizons, through which you can create your website or app all just by giving the command. And if you want to use WordPress like me, Hostinger has a dedicated build a WordPress website, so you can easily build your WordPress website. And if you're coming from another hosting company, Hostinger has a migrate to Hostinger service where they offer you free website migration service. Another good thing regarding Hostinger is that where the competitors charge $2,692 annually, Hostinger offer you all of this free of cost. So make sure to click on the link in the description. Use either of the code as I'm going to tell you to get up to 95% discount. Right now, 5 million plus people are using Hostinger as their primary hosting company and are no more waiting and directly move on to the plan. So make sure to click on the link in the description. So the special deals are going on right now. If you click on the link in the description, and I'm going to tell you how you can get 95% discount code. So simply select the choose plan. Hostinger offer you 3 plans: premium, unlimited, and cloud setup. If you want to save the maximum amount of money, you can offer the unlimited plan. This is also known as business plan. I'm using it from the last 5 years and I do not have any problems. Look around at the features: unlimited website, NVMe storage, 50 GB daily backups. But do your comparison and see what features functions attract you the most, and simply select the choose plan with any of the plan to get up to 95% discount. So once you select the choose plan, again make sure to click on the link in the description and use the code as I'm going to tell you over here. So once you are added over here, it was 80% by default, but I'm going to make it 95% for you. So now select your billing period. Hostinger offer you 4 billing period, and my recommendation is to offer the 48 months, so you can save the maximum amount of money. But you can choose other months as well to get the amazing discount from Hostinger. After this, write your free domain over here. You can claim the free domain later on through the Hostinger control panel, also known as H panel. The free domain is only valid for 1 year. So I'm going to make it 1 year, so I do not have to pay anything additional for this. After this, you can see your order summary over here. Now select the have a coupon code and write this amazing code. You can find this code in the description of this video along with a special discount link. Once you apply over here, you're going to see that your price got a further discount. So 80% at this because you have clicked on the discount link, and now you're using the code. 80% plus 10% is 90%, plus free domain and free mailboxes. Do your math, it's more than 95% saving for you, and this is a limited time special deal because this won't last longer. After this, simply select the continue over here, and now you may be asked to log in at Hostinger or need to create a new account at Hostinger or synchronize with a Google account. And then coming on over here, write your billing details over here and select your payment method. Hostinger offer you a variety of payment methods, guys. You can pay by credit card, PayPal, Google Pay, Apple Pay, Alipay China, Alipay Hong Kong, and CoinGate for crypto payments to get it done. So let's say if you're using credit card, write your credit card details and simply select the submit payment. As soon as you do it, within few minutes you're going to get an email from Hostinger. So just follow this tutorial. Use the code mentioned in the description of this video along with the special discount link to enjoy this amazing deal. So the Hostinger deals are limited time. So I want you guys to take the advantage of it. So again, make sure to click on the link in the description and use either of the discount code to enjoy your amazing hosting from Hostinger and enjoy with this special limited time deals. Good luck with your hosting from Hostinger. Good luck.